Every site has a build programme. It doesn't really matter what you're building. It'd be useful if your utility company or utility consultant understands what your programme looks like. For two reasons. One is they need to know when you need utilities on site. In this case, you can see that the houses are up, the windows aren't in yet, but they're not a million miles away. So we're at a point now where they need to start thinking about getting those utilities installed. I need to know that as a utilities consultant so that I can mobilise our teams. The second reason is that sometimes it's just not possible to be able to deliver within your programme the utility infrastructure. And there are several reasons for that. We've already spoken about other subjects such as road closures and the perimetry around it and the timescales that things like that take. The second reason is that sometimes utility companies just can't deliver within the programme that you've got scripted. And it's important that if they can't deliver, that you know that as early as possible so that you can adjust your programme and make it work. In our industry, there is a standard lead time of 8 weeks for most things, in most areas with most utility companies. 6 to 8 weeks, 8 weeks, 8 to 12 weeks. You'll get different variations. Sometimes that will fit within your programme and sometimes it won't. If there's going to be a delay or a cost implication to having a delay, it's best that you know that as early as possible. So please speak regularly with your utility provider or your utility consultant to understand what the art of the possible is when it comes to build programme.